This video shows how easy it is to create a Node.js or NestJS backend server. So this is the website from NestJS, which creates a backend server for communication, do anything from spa front ends to backends. So what we do now, we go to any folder on our website on our systems. So for in this case, I create a new folder on my demo system. I would say create here. This is my Nest.js demo. So this creates a demo for this application. So in this case, I say here I go to that folder. I would say open with VS Code. Then the system opens like this, and then we will say when we are now in this folder. That's the folder itself. Open the here it is. It's blank. Edit. Nothing is in there. Then we say open the terminal. New terminal. We see now it opens that folder. Terminal, the terminal in that folder. We are in that folder, and then we follow these simple steps. We install NestJS CLI, which allows then the commands, which are the following commands, a nest command. So we say we copy this one, we go in there, we say npm install global NestJS CLI, so the command line interpreter for that stuff. Needs a little bit time. Okay, that's done, and then we will do the next command. Since we installed that the CLI, we are now able to say here nest. So this is a command which comes from that new installation, and then we say new project name. We say new nest demo, nest project name. Escape. New NestJS demo 01. Now you will see it's installing. It's we say okay, in which package manager. Normally on Visual Code we are using npm. Then it installs a lot of stuff. Installing in progress. Drink a cup of coffee. So that's it. Now you see system says we are now we change now our folder to that stuff. What's next? So when you open this one, you see there's a lot of stuff installed. So we jump in there either by open it in integration terminal, or we'll say in this one we copy that stuff and say change my folder to that my current folder to this folder. Now we are there. Then we say npm run. That's the easiest way. So npm run start. Now it starts, and you see this one. And in the source file here in main.ts, you see the app. It's always main.ts in all applications, which is the center part. And there it says the app is listening now to port 3000, and from this port 3000 we have now these the controllers. It listens and it jumps to the controllers, and the demo goes to let's say if we start in there, it goes to get hello. So when we have here, for example, our browser, we will say localhost, and then this 3000, and you see hello world is coming back. So this is the demo controller, and it goes there. Now we are also able to debug this stuff, but debugging is therefore is the for debugging we have to install the launch stuff. But all what you see now is we have that get hello application or a controller, and this one starting. So this is very easy backend system.